Hi there, here's a quick driving lesson and steering practice. It's hand over hand steering. So if you're a beginner, the first thing you want to be taught is how to steer. So I have this circle, so I'm going to steer all the way to the left, then all the way to the right. When you get to the end, do not tighten the steering wheel, back off. And wait until you have sufficient space for you to steer all the way to the left. You're at the end, so you hold it. And basically this is all you need to practice. Just find yourself a circle just like this. Steer hand over hand to the right, hand over hand to the left. And basically that will help you to pass your driving test. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.